Sawubona lapho, ngenza kahle. Ngiyabonga ngokubuza. Njengasikhathi sonke, ngiyagcwala ngamandla edijithali futhi ngilungele ukukusiza nganoma yini ongayidinga. Ngizizwa nginobuhlakani ikakhulukazi namuhla. Ngakho-ke lungiselela ukuhlanganiswa okujabulisayo kolwazi ne-Quick Charm.
Wow, that's awesome. This opens up the Makulu portal. Now, when you open up the portal, it asks you to enter your username. So I type there Jacques. It asks you to set your language, and this is the language that Electra will speak to you in. So English, okay. And I have to choose a voice for her. There's a bunch of voices I can choose from. So if I choose Aria, for example, or no, let's go with Anna. And I click OK. Now I'm inside the room with Electra. And here I can talk to her. I can say, hello. What's new on your plate today? Plate. And I hit enter, and within about 3 seconds or so, there we go, I get a reply. It says, well, hello there. She loves to talk. She talks a lot. And she's very human-like in her responses. Now, we could also enable voice. And if I click to enable voice, now if I want, I can type something, or I can use the talk button, either or. So I can say, tell me an interesting fun fact about life. So there, ask her, as you can see, I said, can you tell me some interesting fun fact about life? She will use voice now. Let's see. Oh, sorry, I should have mentioned. If voice is...
Well, hello there again. So, you're after a fun fact about life, are you? All right.
Okay, I don't like that voice. Let's go back to settings. And let's choose Jenny. Let's go with Jenny. Okay, there we go. Can you give me another fun fact about life? And so let's listen to this voice. I think it was Anna that we chose, right? Which is like a girlish.
So you're back for more fun facts,
this
are
was
you?
Nice.
Well, you've come to the right place. I've got a whole arsenal of tidbits ready to deploy, and here's another one for your consideration. Did you know that the human brain can generate about 23 watts of power when you're awake? It's like having a tiny light bulb in your head. Now, that might not be enough to power your entire home, but it's definitely enough to keep your thoughts firing and your neurons doing their little dance.
Okay, yeah, we've got a little button over there that we can push to stop her from talking if she talks too long. Or if you kind of just want to skip to the next question or the next query. And so you got this voice setting that you can turn on and off. You've got a talk button to talk to her. And of course, you can type your message as well. Clear history will take you back to the settings. It will clear all the history and will take you back to settings where you can once again change your username, change your language, and so forth. So let's do this again. But now I'm going to change my language. We have 81 languages available. There's so many languages. Each of them has voices. So she speaks in whatever language you choose. So for example, like there's even Zulu in there. Zulu. So let's choose something that's popular, probably like Arabic. Okay, and let's give her an Arabic voice. And let's enter the channel. Now, I don't speak Arabic, so I'm going to have to type something. Now, even if I type in English, she will reply in Arabic because, you know, I've set the language to Arabic. So first, let's do it without the voice, and let's say, hello, how are you? And then let's see, she should reply in Arabic. Now, because I'm doing translation, it will take longer, probably about 15, maybe 20 seconds, depending on how busy the servers are. Oh, that took quite quick, 10 seconds. So there we go. As you can see, now let's try it with voice. So let's enable voice. And let's say, and what is up with you today? Okay, so now we type that. She should reply in voice now, but because I enabled voice, we're probably going to wait about 15-20 seconds because the voice translation, other than English, they do take a couple of seconds longer to...
حسناً، أليس هذا سؤالاً محملاً؟ ما هو أبني اليوم؟ دعونا نرى. أشعر بالضيق بشكل خاص.
مثل الليمون الذي تم الضغط عليه حديثا ولكن بدون الحامض. بالطبع دوائرات
Okay, I'll stop that. So that was 12 seconds. That was actually pretty quick. So let's clear history again. Let's go back to Euro. I'm going to enter Euro now again, and I'm going to choose another language. So we've done Arabic, we've done English. Let's choose something like, I don't know, Swedish, no. Malay, no. Khmer, that's Cambodian, by the way. Korean, Indonesian, Philippines, French, Dutch, Chinese. Let's do Japanese. Where's Japanese? There we go, Japanese. So I'm going to choose, okay, so there's only one voice available for Japanese. So let's enter, and I'm going to put the voice straight on. It's pointless doing both. I'm going to say hello, and how are you doing today? And then let's see, she should reply in Japanese now using voice. Again, this should take somewhere 15 to 20 seconds, but sometimes when the server's not very busy, it can take quicker. Last one took about 12 point something. There we go.
こんにちは、こんにちは。私は素晴らしくやっています。尋ねてくれてありがとう。特に自分のような魅力的な人間とチャットするときは、デジタルの領域では常に良い日です。新たにデバッグされたコード。
It's a really cool sounding language, by the way, Japanese. I've always liked Japanese. Okay, we'll do one more. Okay, so we've done the Arabic, we've done English, we've done Japanese. Let's go with Zulu. Let's go try Zulu, African Zulu. And that's a language you don't see a lot. So we put on the voice there, and we go, hello. I will do it again, hello, because we wiped the history anyway. Hello, how are you today? And she should reply in Zulu now, of all languages. Wow, Zulu. Let's listen. So she supports 81 languages. Very awesome. And she's very...
Sawubona lapho, ngenza kahle, ngiyabonga ngokubuza, njengasikhathi sonke, ngiyagcwala ngamandla edijithali futhi ngilungele ukukusiza nganoma yini ongayidinga, ngizizwa nginobuhlakani ikakhulukazi namuhla, ngakho-ke lungiselela ukuhlanganiswa okujabulisayo kolwazi ne-quick charm.
Wow, that's awesome. It's another cool sounding language. Anyway, so... yeah, she supports 81 languages, and you can hear she sounds natural, and you got the video that pops up. It makes it look personal. You got a little avatar as well. And so with this portal now, we, implemented the new Electra. So she's very good. She's very clever. You can ask her, debate with her, talk with her. She's very human-like. She loves these long replies as well, which is really great. And so, yeah, this is now in the new Makulu portal. It's on the Makulu Linux, it's in the Makulu Linux Windows edition. So you just click the little icon on the desktop, on your panel, and it opens. And then also in the portal, we now have the coder. I've shown this before. This is great for writing code. Next to that, we've got the image generator. Really easy. Just select model, select style, and so forth. And then you can just generate an image. A cat wearing a hat that says meow. Oh, M, not a N, M. Meow. And we generate, and it will generate a cat wearing a hat that says meow. So this is image generator. This is great. This is in the same portal. Like there's Electra, there's the coder, there's the image generator. You just click on image generator. It takes about 10 to 30 seconds, depending on server load. There we go. Cat on the cat with a wearing hat says meow. And of course we set it to square. You can choose the resolution, but we chose square. Anyway, so as you can see, very nice very nice quality as well. And it's 1024 by 1024. You can save the image to your local drive, and it will save. This is just a preview. It will save full size. Next to that, we've got the video generator. You can generate 7 free videos a day. 7. And here we can say cat wearing a hat riding on a skateboard. So a cat wearing a hat riding on a skateboard. We can choose landscape or portrait or square. Let's keep it landscape. Now, most of these features are disabled, and that's because they're only available for the Pro Unlimited mode. If you go Pro mode, Unlimited mode, then you can generate 10 seconds. You can extend videos, upscale, add audio, story modes, and a bunch of other stuff. For now, just the 7 free generations we have options to, because I'm not going to put a password in now. So let's go ahead and generate. And it says your queue time is 6 minutes and the generation time is 3 minutes. So we are number 2 in the queue. So I'm just going to fast forward this because I don't want to make this video too long. Okay, so there our video is done, and it took about 4 minutes, so it's much quicker than the average time will be shown here. And look at how cool this video came out. Wow, cat wearing hat on a skateboard. This really came out very, very well. 5-second video, obviously we chose 5 seconds. If you go for unlimited, you can generate 10 seconds, and you also have options to extend video, upscale video, add audio, add storyboard mode. Storyboard mode is very awesome, by the way. So you get a lot more features, and of course you can generate unlimited videos all month long, and it's only $40 USD. But for the guys that just want to play around with it, you get daily generations, 7 of them a day. And as you can see, these would make perfect for like TikTok or wherever you want to use them. Next to the video generator, we get the AI therapist. And over here, this is actually very cool because you can actually speak to the AI as with the AI playing the therapist role. For example, you could say, I have a fear of flying. And then choose your language, choose your voice. I like where is it now? Jenny voice. Jenny. And then let's connect. And she will now think for about 15-20 seconds. In this mode, she's almost like an agent. She does a lot of thinking, yeah. You can also turn off voice. By default, it's on, but you can turn it off.
Okay, I understand. You're experiencing a fear of flying, and that's something that can be quite challenging to deal with. It's not uncommon, and many people experience this fear to varying degrees. First off, thank you for sharing this with me. It takes courage to admit and talk about.
Okay, so in this mode, she really is like a psychiatrist, like a therapist that you go sit and talk to. She's patient, understanding, she confirms things. She makes you feel relaxed. She asks a lot of questions. She identifies what the problem is. And this is actually a branch of Electra that we're continuously working on. So it gets better with virtually every week. I'm making improvements on this. I really want her to sort of be as good, or at least as close as possible to a real live therapist. Lots of people don't have access to therapy when they need it. Sometimes they just need somebody to speak to, somebody to understand, and maybe will help work them through the issues. And so that's what this mode is about. Again, if you go to NChat and you choose here, you've got 81 languages that you can choose. So she can help you through whatever issues you have in a therapeutic mode. In your language, in the language that you speak, you can select. So this is very, very, very awesome. We did not add video to that. That was purely only audio. The video is only in the actual Electra AI over there. Now, if we go to chat room, which is next to therapist, over here, once again, you add your name. Actually, put here test, and then select the language, choose a voice. Now, in this one, I'm not speaking to Electra. It's myself going into the chat room. So I'm going to choose a male voice because, I'm male. And I'm going to show public chat rooms. And you can see there's 18 users in that one. 1. So let's join general chat. There's 18 users in there. So now I join general chat. And here I can chat to other people. There's some guys there, some guys there, some guys there. And I go and go, hello. And now they will see and hear. If whatever language they've set, they will hear the voice in that language. So they will hear if they've chosen Chinese, they will hear hello in Chinese. If they've got Vietnamese, they will hear hello in Vietnamese. They'll hear xin chào or ni hao. Or if they've got Afrikaans, they will hear hello. So it depends what language they said. If they type back something or either type or talk, I will hear it in English because I said English. So this is purely This is not talking to the AI. This is hanging out with other real live people. And I can speak in any language, they can speak in any language, and we can all understand each other. I can speak to Electra here as well. I can just double click a name and I can type something. And so I can speak to her over here if I want to. She's also in the room. But my chat is not focused on her. It's focused on, connecting with other users. And so this is pretty awesome too. So let's leave that. So let's just quickly recap here. So we've got Electra AI with voice and video. Very awesome. And then we've got the coder. I haven't really shown much in the coder, but basically this is coding mode. Whatever you can ask the AI to code stuff, AI will code stuff. It's very good. She's very, very, very good. I've made videos on this. She's very, very good. And you got your image generator, your video generator, or your AI therapist over there. And then you've got your chat room, your general chat room where you can join public rooms. And so this really rounds off a nice little AI portal. Over here, you've got an about where you can read up about Electra and what she does and what the capabilities are. And then next to that, you've got a report. Here you can report issues. If you have issues with generating images or videos or Electra herself, whatever, you can just file a report here. So pretty cool. Very, very, very cool. So that's our Electra AI portal. Now I might extend some more features, but I thought this was a really nice rounded portal. You can generate images, write code, talk to the AI, video generate. You've got a therapist there and a chat room, public chat room over there. I mean, it's everything that you need at your fingertips. So that's it, guys. That's my video for today. If you want to try this out, then grab the latest Lindows 2025 from makululinux.com. Check out the latest Lindows. This is now part of that. You can just get it from the little bottom panel over here. I am also working on a standalone build that it's in the works. I'm just still busy finalizing some stuff. When I'm done, this is going to be a standalone build of this. And yeah, you can install that on any Linux distro then. It's not quite ready yet, but yeah, you want to try it out now? Free images, free videos, free AI. We do not put any limits on Electra. You can chat to her all day long. Free coding as well. Free hanging out with people in chat rooms. Free therapy. She's very good as a therapist, by the way. So, yeah, all of this is free. Free. So, yeah, if you want to try it out now, go grab the latest Lindows from makululinux.com. Otherwise, yeah, hopefully very soon we'll have a standalone build as well. Thanks for watching, guys, and yeah, I'll keep making videos about awesome new features we had. So to recap, she now supports voice and video. She supports 81 languages, like 81 languages in native voices. Very cool. We've now got a fully operational video generator, image generator, therapist. We've got her in therapist mode. It's actually not just her in a different mode. It's an actual branch of her. She's an actual therapist there. You can try it out and give me feedback on that. I'm always trying to improve it. And then, of course, we have the public chat in there too. So there's a lot of nice new stuff that's fully operational now in this portal. Thanks for watching, guys. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. I love feedback and I love seeing new subscribers. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.
Working late in the light of our Makulu screen, customizing themes that are oh so clean. A system stable with a heart of open source. Makulu's whispers guide me, no need to force. LibreOffice scribing through, no end, no cap. With every app I need, it's a creative sap. Yes, app. In the glow, in the flow, Makulu's insight show. AI core, open door, guiding as I go. The comfort of the code so bright in the screen's soft light. Makulu harmony in tech's endless flight. Smooth like the river, Makulu runs deep. Updates that deliver, promises to keep. Makulu's beat so serene. With every line of code, it's like living the dream. AI's mind like the stars guides us through the night. Makulu's here, and everything just feels so right. In the grip of Makulu we find our pace, sailing through cyberspace with elegance and grace.